Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. For today's vlog, ay mag-unbox and review ang aking mga kids sa bago nilang nabili na stand fan. At bago ang lahat, gusto ko lang i-shout out ang lahat ng aking members. Ayan, Josa Pro Vlogs, Mananangkot sa USA, Hazel Jen Adventure, Team Vivi Jean, Boy Coffee 30, and Cheese Pearl.
Welcome back to Lovely Self Vlog. So for today's video is we're going to unbox
Firefly rechargeable table fan with night light.
So this is kanang kuan siya kanang na siya charger ma-charge siya then kuan overcharge and over discharge protection o mo na to. Flame retardant and 3-speed fans lightweight. So we're going to open the box. So kuan ni siya guys kanang 600 pesos and I think nice issue. Ito siya guys. Para na sila mga mag-study chart. Tara yung charger guys.
It's micro USB port.
Micro USB port. So, LED lights, LED switch, charging indicator, working indicator, fan switch, micro USB port. So, mga siya guys.
So let's going to try it now. So
wait for a minute. So, this is kanang diri mo mag-charge. Yeah, dapat siya na
charger.
Kuan yan ang adapter. Then let's try it out. Let's try
the fan 1, 2, and 3.
Oh, na siya.
And the lights. Where's the lights?
So kani siya guys, murag angayan din siya ma. Kanang angayan kid ni siya ma studyhanan ba. Pwede siya ma
good for studies.
Okay, so guys, this rechargeable fan, so importante ni siya para nato mga students because kanang para bitaan ng mag
kanang like class and you have our homework.
Yeah, then nag-burn out, yeah, then wala suga.
You can use it, the lights and the fan if it's so hot.
Kanang siya. That's all for today and
thank you for watching, and please like and share and
don't forget to subscribe and click the button bell for more videos.